So today I'm going to show you how you actually earn your dividends on Robinhood. So we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time so you can follow along. Now, of course, this means you do have to have a stock that pays out a dividend, and the quickest way to find out if a stock actually pays out a dividend is to actually go through and look directly. So, for example, we're going to go into one of the stocks I have here, which is Virgin Galactic Holdings. If we scroll down here, there's a spot down towards the little bottom right-hand side for the stats that says DIV/yield. And you can see that is kind of with a little line across it. This means this stock does not pay out a dividend, so I don't have to worry about that. So if I go through another stock, which is the ARK stock I have here, if I go ahead and scroll down, you can see that this one does pay out a dividend, and this one has 0.08%. Now, this is going to be very minimal information, and sometimes on Robinhood, this information might be lagging behind their actual numbers. So I do recommend you check out different websites to find out exactly the percentage of dividend yield you get, as well as when the payout date is for those dividends so you know when to expect them, as well as, and very important, knowing the ex-dividend date. Because if you don't buy before that ex-dividend date, that means you will not be receiving those dividends. So you have to have that stock owned before the ex-dividend date for those dividends to come in by the payout date. Now, once that payout date does come through and you do make that money, depending how you set up your Robinhood account, you will most likely get that money put right into your cash balance, which is your buying power. So you can see here we have $31.56. If we were to get paid out from a company, as of right now, with the settings we have, that money goes right into our buying power, so we can go ahead and spend it on any other stock we want. You can also set up what they call a DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment program, which allows you to go ahead and reinvest those dividends back into the company that paid them directly. And if that's going to be the case, I'm going to show you exactly where to find this information so you know if that money went into your buying power or if it went back into the company itself. So what we're going to do is click on the bottom right hand side with that person icon, and what we're going to actually do, let me go ahead and go back here, is go into the main section here, and you're going to see a thing that says statements and history. So we click on here, and in these statements and history, there's an option that says show more. So we're going to click on show more here, and at the top there's a section that says dividends. Let's go ahead and click on here. And it's going to show you the dividends in the past 30 days and dividends that are a little bit older. So what we're going to do is click on that most recent dividend. And here it's going to tell you when it was announced and then when the dividend was actually paid out. And because this dividend was paid out, it just went directly into the buying power. You can see at the bottom there, it says edit dividend reinvestment, which if you did that, you can go ahead and choose to have that money reinvested into the stock itself instead of back into your buying power. Now, I want you to keep on learning more with how Robinhood works. So make sure you check out this video here to learn the mistakes not to make when using the platform. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next video.